Hello guys, so it's 31st day and yesterday we have completed 1 month journey. So congratulations to all of us. But I am sorry that I didn't came yesterday. Actually I was thinking to quit yesterday, but these guys motivated me a lot. That's why that's why I came today, and I think I will continue it, and hope we all continue it till our last breath.
At least
So
we have to do 100 days.
now coming to we should start something like
Yeah,
100 days.
100 days we will
After
celebrate.
after our good news, like after getting placement and all.
No, but
we will be
we'll-
starting these things.
No, that's will be. I will be lazy at that time, but
Oh.
we'll do
So
from
sir,
today only.
here is our trainer. Our old
Yes.
trainer is busy in doing something. Why he is not coming?
There is issue in his wrist, and he is recovering it. He's doing only running in the ground.
Is he making?
now he
Is he making excuse
legs
or
are
is
paining.
it for real?
He told
No,
me
it is real because why would he came to running then?
Oh, he's coming.
Yeah, he is coming
But
for
he-
running only.
he told
I
me
don't
now.
think so.
But
Have
he
you seen
told
him
me-
running?
One time.
Yeah, me also.
At
I
that
also
time only.
Yeah.
But he told me now his legs are paining.
So,
Because-
yeah, yesterday I have seen, not I mean Makwana I have seen going to a hospital. Okay.
Oh, yesterday we went to meet also.
Okay. So what are the things we did today, sir?
So today we did back, lat pull, and that's only. And today, guys, there are 4 more motivations. Too much motivation.
yeah.
So,
So
that's
we-
why
so we
Divakar
enjoyed
was
a
not
lot.
here for the last 1 hour. But at the time when we are leaving, he came when he got to know there are too much motivation
you
inside
have,
our
you have
chip.
informed him.
No, but he have some instinct
Okay.
that there is motivation. So that's why.
Okay.
So we did back only, guys.
So we enjoyed a lot today
Yeah.
because there were a
You-
lot of motivation.
You,
And we
yesterday
got
we
motivated.
didn't provide you good link, good clips. Sorry, clips of our.
No, if you want to provide links, then it's also feasible.
Sorry, for link we will create one more
Channel.
Telegram chat. Telegram, not YouTube.
You have that much link.
Yeah.
Oh. Now here comes our star boy. So sir, what are the things you did?
Yeah,
The
as
same,
like my trainer.
the same as trainer told, na? So how you are feeling right now after doing this much gym?
Nothing,
You
bro.
were training for more than 1 hour. So how are you feeling right now?
Nothing. I'm.
So you have completed
Star boy.
1 month journey. Do you want to say anything, like have you gained anything?
Yeah, now I am able to lift more.
Oh,
Earlier I don't used to that.
you have become better of yourself, na? Okay.
Guys,
I am also thinking that he has become, I mean, more powerful, more handsome, and as he has described that he has become more attractive also. Some girls are giving vow to him. Yesterday one girl has messaged. Sorry, I have to hold. We have paused on our video, so sorry
Yeah.
for that, because
One urgent
our
call.
our cameraman's guide called him. That's why it was an important call. So we paused. Sorry for that. So now here comes
Quote of the day.
So recite it. Recite the quote.
So our quote of the day is: let your smile change the world, but don't let the world change your smile.
Oh,
nice.
great. So bye guys. ये करके दिखाओ. ये करके दिखाओ ये स्मार्ट बॉय. ये करके दिखाओ. देख रहा कितना वजन उठा रहा है. कितना वजन है? कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
Too much motivation.
Oh
Too much. For much.
You can see my sweat. You can see any sweat also.
Sweet.
Sweat.
Nice sweet. छुआ. देखो गाइस 7 इंच तो दिख रहा है. देखो बिहारी पावर. लिट्टी चोखा खाए बे. और 2 कर दे. OG star boy. Come on UP boy. Guys, can you see the motivation? There is motivation. Yeah. ये देखो लगा लगा छुआ छुआ. Guys, बिहारी power.
My trainer has told me to
ऐसा ऐसा ही लगेगा जहाँ पे now our OG trainer will tell. Do a smile, bhai. Yeah. Yeah, same but Bihari one.